came out to Velocity today. We were gonna go see if our friend was here. We have a bunch of his stuff that he brought to our boat, and we were gonna bring back to him, but he's gone, and it's a really pretty day. I don't blame him. So we're just gonna hang out for a little while, see if he comes back in soon, so we can chat and look at boats. It's like really calm out here today, though. It's like flat calm, Bailey.
Pam? Can I talk?
No. There's one coming in, but it's not him.
Oh, what's all that white out there? Hey.
It's all fishing over there, Josh.
What's all that white out there?
It's like crab pots and birds. I think there's some birds out there too.
Might be a mix of birds.
Might be a bunch of birds.
Look at that.
I'm not really into birds, as you see. Birds aren't my type.
What did you say? You don't like birds?
Boo, good.
Well, your brother doesn't like birds because they had him trapped in a building for an hour. Calling us, screaming and crying.
Let's go to sleep.
Because the blackbirds were attacking him.
Yeah, that was 4 years ago.
That was priceless. It was. We couldn't help but laugh, and nobody could go help him and get him because everybody was laughing. That was funny.
That was bad.
Yeah, it was pretty horrid.
I was scared, okay?
That was my bad parent day.
Why for that?
Because I laughed at you more than I cared. About anything, it was just too damn funny.
No, you really should have cared.
That was a big boat, the Black Swan. Really want to go see what. I want to go inside.
We ain't gonna go get that.
I want to go inside that one.
Is that Jimro?
No, he's still out. His boat's not back yet.
Oh, my.
There's our future boat over there, or I don't like the Bali, the 4.0. It's too small. But then there's a Lagoon 420 back over there. The 450 usually sits right here, but he's not here today. He owns an 80-foot catamaran over at another marina in Japan, plus the 450, and I think he's got another boat. I think maybe he has a crazy amount. Japanese vending machine. I don't know too many places. This is a vending machine, but it's beer. It's beer and chew high. Less than $2 for some chew highs. Got their like Coke and whiskey, and then of course you have Asahi, you know, less than $3 a beer, or you can get a tall boy for less than $3.50. And they don't check your ID, you just come in and pick whatever beer you want. It does look tempting.
Look.
I know.
Can I talk?
That's peach. This boat here, it looks like they're just sanding everything down, gonna repaint it. This is the Spirit of Yuko. This is the Japanese solo around the world sailor. This is his boat. He keeps it out here in Uraga. It's really cool. No. Call me a scary driver. You are a scary driver.
Let's not talk anymore.
You don't
okay?
know the turns or anything.
Joshua, can I tell you
But I
something?
guess you haven't hit anything, so.
Sit inside.
Touche.
Here's a fact.
Yeah.
Joshua,
I don't know.
I don't know.
Alright,
Just scrape my tires.
tell you something.
You scrape your tires all the time on the toll booth.
You complain.
Do you have me locked?
Yep.
Can you roll down the window?
Yep.
I'm not allowed to touch the window.
Nope.
At least you got me close enough to get the little thing. My hair is kind of all jacked up.
Guy,
I know, Bailey. I need to get my hair redone again. Look, gray's coming out. Where to now?
Home.
Home?
I gotta do you tomorrow, so I want to do some relaxing.
Stop.
Yeah. Chill out. I was in Tokyo all morning. There was no traffic going into Tokyo though. Coming back out, there wasn't any traffic. There's traffic going back into Tokyo whenever I was coming out though. It's flat out there today. Oh, there's good views of Fuji though.
Where?
When I was headed to Tokyo.
Didn't exist. You got pictures?
Yeah, actually I do.
Do you?
Yeah.
Because
I got pictures.
you always say you see Fuji, and you never see Fuji. It's always a cloud.
No, it's not a cloud. Wasn't as good as last time. It's a little hazy today. But it's still there. We'll see it on the way home in a minute. Oops, tearing the thing apart.
You're very pretty.
we decided to go look at boat parts today. Gonna go look at the Dragonfly. That's what it is, right? The Dragonfly. MFD.
Yeah.
Because we have one that somebody gave us, a friend gave us, but it's huge, and our boat's a 30-foot sailboat, and there's really no place to put this big, huge MFD, so we're looking at getting something a little smaller. But we also wanted to match up with what Sea Talk, right?
Yeah.
See if it's going to match up with the Sea Talk that we already have that our friend gave us with the other one. So just gonna kind of go look around, see what they have. We know that they have a Dragonfly here, but just look into it. I think that it's the 7-inch display, which would probably be best. But we're probably gonna order it on Amazon.
West Marina.
Yeah, West Marina or Amazon. The boat parts store is good. They do carry a lot of stuff from West Marine, but we're in Japan and it's expensive.
Yeah.
Very expensive. It's expensive in the States too, but I think it's like 25 probably % markup. That's what it feels like. It may be more than that, like a 50% markup. This is really the only boat shop or part shop that we've found here right now. I know that they are like Saijima also has some stuff, but this is like the biggest
There's
place.
a big one in
But
Osaka.
is it Osaka?
Yeah, there's a huge
Well, that's
one in
like
Osaka.
6 hours away.
Well, they do it online.
Yeah, it's better to go look though
Yeah.
and see your stuff. I don't know. Sir, and go check it out.
Dad, can you
Friends.
pause it?
Marine. This is where most of our money goes. This store right here. The horn is? Because we have to have that if we want to go offshore. Oh, there it is.
This is the 7.
Yeah,
800 bucks.
and it was $300 on Amazon.
Big enough, huh?
Yeah, I think so. I don't think I would go any smaller than that.
I don't know if they got a bigger one or not.
No, I think it just is 4, 5, and 7.
But this is a
Autopilot.
this is everything we need right here.
Yeah.
This is cables.
Those cables that we have long enough.
Oh,
This is what we have though. We have this. Does it work? Or will it hook in? I guess that's what we need to find out.
that's what we need to find out if this.
We'll
So we got
talk.
we don't have the I-60. We got the ST-60. Look at this.
What do you think about them?
I think it's so expensive, I ain't got a price on it. No. This is a 9-inch. Yes, so expensive, it's got a price on it.
How much is it?
I mean, it's gotta be a whole unit. I mean, because it's not $6,000 for this.
Holy hell.
I mean, it's got.
Maybe it's for everything? No, it just MFD
There's no way it's $6,000. I wish I could read.
GS series. Oh, he just dropped everything.
Oh, goodness.
$2,400 for autopilot.
I don't know if it's right.
Ours is kind of dodgy.
Ours kind of? We didn't know.
We have one of the plugins, and the last time we were going into the one to drop the sale, and all of a sudden it just went whoosh, and like went the other way. It was a little scary. It wasn't fun. They don't have our horn. They have to order it, but they have a pretty cool little boat cleaning.
$257.
A little scrubby.
No, that's 100 and no,
That's
105,
well, no, that's it's 130, 113.
105.
Right? No, it's 100 and
Oh, yeah, okay. 113.
that's 113 for this. And then plus you have the pole, which is 250. So yeah, 113 for that. It's a pretty good idea, actually. Oh, no, he says.
Stop and go.
Why are you stopping us?
He says stop. Hurry up, back home.